you are doing well. So in this video I will show you another newly created element, which is card hover effect. So if you see, this is a card, and if we just hover over it, it would show me an text box. This is the effect we have used in this element. So if you need something like this, you just have to implement the code we have used. This is totally built with custom HTML, JS and JavaScript, and we have used the CSS as well. Okay, let me show you. So for implement this code, you just have to take a new element, which is code, and then you just have to apply the whole JavaScript code, which you will download from the membership. So the membership I'm talking about, this one. So when you will sign up for the GHL Elements Studio, okay, so you will see this kind of membership section where you can find all the code here. And also if you just click on the card, you can see the product card. If you go to the timeline, you can see the timeline. There is, if you go any of the elements, you can see there are options of attached file here in the right side down sections, and if from there you can just download it. And after you download it, you can just see the code. So there is HTML code here and also the CSS code. So for the HTML, when you take copy the whole HTML code, you will paste it in the custom JavaScript and HTML element, and after that you will go to the custom CSS tab and then paste all of the CSS code from copy all of the CSS code, and then paste in the custom CSS tab. In this tab, paste the whole thing and then click save, and then you save the browser, save the builder, and then you can see the effect. So if you face any difficulties in implementing in this code, and if you get any error, you can just knock us, or you already have our WhatsApp number, our website details, so you can knock us. We will definitely help you. Thank you.